Hi, everyone. My name is Anasha, and I'm a part of Group 12, and we'll be presenting for you, Professor, and my fellow cohorts, our topic, artificial intelligence. So to summarize what we're going to discuss, we'll begin with a standard but efficient definition of AI and its functions, followed by various models that are explored and threats to our society and economy as far as AI is concerned. When you hear the term AI, what's the first thought that comes to your mind? Robots, computers, even aliens? No, from the research I've gathered, I can state this. AI is a simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. Effectively, AI can be broken down from this broad understanding into problem solving through two approaches, human and ideal. Human AI is designed to think and act as similarly as human as possible. And ideal AI is designed to think and act as rationally as possible, which is distinct from humans. In terms of functionality, AI is categorized into weak and strong, with weak AI that is robust and not fully conscious or sentient, and strong being considered fully on a human level in both thought and action. What is AI? What does AI do? Artificial intelligence as humans program systems to interpret data, analyze, and produce it. To piggyback off what I've explained of artificial intelligence, we've provided three unique examples. On the left is text-based AI with the popular GPT. In the middle is AlphaSense, a leading financial AI reliant software. And on the right is Midjourney, an AI that produces art on a given prompt.
Innovation attributes. The relative advantage: AI supersedes previous smart technology because it can solve more complex problems, can compete a wider range of asks, is often more user-friendly, and reduces costs. The compatibility: it is growing rapidly in fields that arguably need AI the most and can be programmed to use the necessary skills in each field. Complexity: while AI is proliferating frequently, developing innovative AI solutions are still seen as complex by regular users, further bolstering its innovative qualities. Trialability: AI can be constantly tested with little costs for users, open beta, crowdsourcing code, and so forth, and once built requires minimal expensive testing. Observability: AI's often user-friendly interfaces and client-facing nature make its innovation easily realized. Disruptive innovation. AI is a key enabler for disruptive innovation that leads to game-changing products and services able to help low-end or unserved consumers migrate to the mainstream market. Progress in AI has been effectively exponential, largely due to techniques in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and generative design. Collectively, these technologies will allow the discovery of new solutions to impact important problems at a rate where they've never seen before, in industries that are typically seen as traditional or timeless.
So speaking to the S-curve, the next facet of innovation, we typically see a period of effectively saying, what's that, where this technology is being adopted. It has an exponential growth where people are constantly adopting it, firms and individuals alike. It reaches maturity and then eventually stability, and it curves off in that S-shaped fashion. We have here multiple other innovative technologies and comparing it to artificial intelligence and machine learning on the far right. And we could see that artificial intelligence currently is still in its sort of development phase where people understand what it is at a baseline level, but it's still being adopted exponentially. And within the next few years, by 2030 specifically, we'll be at a point where companies large and small alike will all have to use some form of AI if they want to survive and thrive.
So in order to understand the technology diffusion of artificial intelligence, we thought it useful to look at AI art generation as an example. So initially, although it's been around for decades, it was really limited to either large research institutions, corporations, or a select group of experts who had actual technical knowledge on how to build these types of tools and programs. In 2015, though, Google open sourced the code for Deep Dream, their tool, which was able to produce fantastical images based on some simple user prompts, but it was quite limited in scope in terms of what it could produce, and also was able to actually make use of it. In 2021, though, DALL-E became available. However, it was limited to select a group of individuals who received invitations, and they were only able to produce a certain number of images. By the following year, in 22, though, DALL-E entered beta, and invitations were sent out to their waiting list of over 1 million users with the model that they can produce a few images for free and then choose to pay in order to access more images beyond that. By late 2022, just later that year, other tools such as Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, StyleGAN, and others became quite generally free and easily accessible. The images that we saw on an earlier slide were by Midjourney and can be accessed through Discord, which is a chat service and created with just a very simple text prompt.
In the long run, this technology will become a threat to many industries and individuals, including artists and creators. If there is a continuous increase of AI technology usage within the industry, it would mean that many artists will lose out on commissions and see changes in pay rates. Many artists within the community believe the artistic direction of art creations will shift, and that many artists in various industries such as entertainment, video game, and advertisement will end up losing their jobs to AI technology, as many other industries have. Some artists that have a heavy social media and online presence have begun to see AI-generated art inspired by their artwork come up as search results instead of their own original work. AI technology will also affect other jobs in other industries as well. Coding and software development, for example, will be used to decrease errors, only utilizing individuals that produce that code. It would also affect finance because AI can make faster decisions and manage a wide range of tasks and clients faster than humans can. However, AI technology doesn't currently pose a threat now. First, because it's still a fairly new technology that will still need some time to evolve. Many artists also believe AI technology will not be able to convey the emotion or message the way a human could in their artwork. Others in the industry see the technology as merely an idea generator. Some suggest utilizing AI technology to detect AI-generated art, code, or financial data in hopes to minimize its use or misuse. Others see it as a potential to express art in a different form or as an aid to their creative thoughts and brainstorming ideas. Either way, this technology will change many industries. Thank you.